Welcome to another non-stop adventure. This is the Hilton Miami Downtown Junior Suite. We are in room 233, you can see here. So as you walk in, very nice and spacious. That's the first thing you notice. You can hear the air conditioner is very loud, so I hope my voice overpowers it. First we go to the right, we have a nice bench here. We have an okay view. We could have had a better view, but we wanted to go ahead and check in. With us being Hilton Diamond, we checked in at like, I want to say 9 a.m. So then we have a closet here. You have your robes. You have an ironing board and an iron, extra pillows. Then if you go to the right, we have the bathroom. We have a sink. Got some toiletries. We have lotion, toilet, tub. The water is very, very hot. I love it. And then in the shower, you have shampoo and conditioner. Water is very easy to turn on and off. And I'm so happy the water gets hot and it stays hot. One sink. All right. So we come right in. First thing you come to is your controller for the AC. Works very well. Like I say, it is noisy. This is probably one of the noisiest ones I've had in the room, but we'll make it work. To the left here, we got a mirror. Hello. Then if we continue on, we have a view all the way around the room. You can see here our curtains are closed, but there is a view. Where's Leroy hiding at? Look at him, y'all. What are you doing? Say hello.
Hi.
Look at that view. Okay. It's a little dark because it's focusing on the outside. I apologize for that. So get these curtains closed so they can see the room real good. All right, to the right here, we have the console. We have a television, babe. Come open this console. Close the rest of that curtain so that light, the camera's not picking up that light. And go ahead and open this console for them so they can see what we have. All right, so we got drawers here. Should be a refrigerator. Huh, there it is. Can you open it? Right here, boo.
Oh.
It's okay, baby. All right, and so here is the fridge, which is a great addition because I had to put my medication in there. Then we have a little table here, a chair, and a love seat. If you keep going to the back, we have the nightstand with a lamp. And a nice, cold, very cozy chair, actually. And then over here to the left, we have the bed. What'd you think about the bed? Was it comfortable?
It was very comfortable.
Very comfortable? I think it was, too. We have 2 nightstands. 2, which is great. Plenty of plugs, which made me happy. Because we have a ton of things to plug up. Plenty of plugs on both sides of the bed, I must say. And here's that one. And let's look at the view on this side. All right. So the view isn't great, but like I said, with us being Hilton Diamond, we got checked in early, so it was the choice between the junior suite and a lesser room that didn't have as great of a view. How much was this room?
I actually don't know how much this particular room was.
Well, not this particular one. How much did we pay for?
Oh.
We booked the standard room, and how much was it?
$333.
$333, and we got upgraded to this one. And so it was definitely worth it for one night. It was $333 for the standard room. Got the upgrade, got the check-in early.
Yep, and we got a $30 food and drink credit at check-in as well, so you can use that on your breakfast, lunch, and or dinner.
If you're Hilton.
If you're Hilton Gold or Diamond.
Yep. So overall, I think this was a wonderful room. I enjoyed it. I actually have no complaints. The carpet is a little bit outdated. My only concern would be the AC that runs. It's very loud. Even when you're sleeping, you're looking at that thing like, my, that is quite loud. But very nice room. You can check out our hotel review as well. Really like the hotel. Very impressed with the customer service since we've been here. It's just a short stay because we are cruising out tomorrow. So highly recommend it if you're taking a cruise. I will also mention this in my hotel tour, but they do charge $10 for a shuttle to the port, which is, I think it's pretty nice. All right, so we will see you on our next
Non-stop adventure.